Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming two essentials. You're signed into your Apple ID on the device, and you know the device passcode plus Apple ID password. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, then Find My. Scroll to Stolen Device Protection. You're not using Face ID here, so the system will ask for your passcode or Apple ID credentials instead. Make sure the device is online via Wi-Fi or cellular so the change can sync to Apple's servers immediately. Now you tap the Stolen Device Protection control to change it. Because Face ID is unavailable, the phone prompts for the device passcode or your Apple ID password. Enter whichever it requests. Once authenticated, toggle the protection off or modify the available options. After you change it, the device will attempt to sync. Watch for the confirmation message. If the device shows pending, keep it online and locked open to let the setting propagate to iCloud and associated devices automatically. Finish by restarting the device and revisiting settings. Right arrow, Find My to confirm Stolen Device Protection is changed. If the device isn't with you, log into iCloud. Right arrow, Find My right arrow devices and remove the device after authenticating. That updates activation lock without Face ID. If you can't authenticate because you forgot the Apple ID password, begin account recovery or contact Apple support with proof of purchase. One tip:
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.